Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC. And like I told you, listen, we're going to start a new series on YouTube called the Cadillac Chronicles. And it is exactly what you hear and what it sounds like. We're going to chronicle stories from the Cadillac. It's simple as that. All right. So different perspective, different views in the world. We got a couple of different angles that we're going to be shooting from. This is one of them where you get to look and see where we're headed. And we got a couple of drone perspectives and the Insta365, which is a 360 camera. So we're going to be able to go in a spheric motion and get all around us. So look out for all of those coming really soon. All right, so listen, you guys know what it is, man. No matter where you're at, where you're sitting at, where you're going, where you're driving, you better not be driving if you can't see. Let's change the world. Let's watch the Cadillac Chronicles. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and let's change the world together.